Hello, Mr. Prakash. I am Srinivas from Tata Tele Business.
Oh yes, please have a seat. Dear Srinivas, as per our discussion over the phone, you were telling me about a VPN network that could be beneficial for my company. Could you please elaborate?
Sure, sir. I was talking about MPLS VPN, which is Multi-Protocol Label Switching Virtual Private Network. Before I tell you more about MPLS, I would like to know more about your requirements. Would that be okay, sir?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Do you use any kind of ERP products for your organization? If you do, how many locations do you connect to? Is there any cloud-based connectivity that you use?
Yes, we are using an ERP product across 7 to 10 locations. And we are also considering some of the cloud applications that are available in the market. How can TTBS help me in this regard?
We are serving many manufacturing organizations who are very satisfied with our MPLS service. TTBS provides robust and secure connectivity that connects your offices even at remotest of locations, which in turn enable you to roll out business-critical applications including ERP, CRMs, and cloud-based software to all the branches. Not only this, your smaller locations like your warehouses shall be given a completely managed connectivity from TTBS, which means that you don't have to worry about managing your network connectivity at smaller locations, which would certainly save you a lot of cost.
That is wonderful. But you know, now that we are expanding our business to different locations including the cloud, what about them? Will I be able to connect all of them?
Sure, sir. TTBS Smart VPN for MPLS is a highly scalable connectivity solution. In simple words, if you have 5 warehouses in and around the city and you want to connect all of them including your main warehouse or office to a centralized network, then this is the solution. You can expand and add more locations including cloud connectivity. Smart VPN also provides secure connectivity to cloud on MPLS for accessing an organization's sensitive data.
So you are saying that Smart VPN will help in connecting all my warehouses. Understood. But what about its reach? I have one warehouse which is situated in a rural district where connectivity is a big issue.
Do not worry, Mr. Prakash. TTBS Smart VPN for MPLS solution also has a wireless last mile connectivity on SIM, which is designed to connect remotest of locations.
Okay, I'm interested. Tell me more about it.
Sure, sir. We all know how important security is for a manufacturing company. Valuable data in the form of inventory management, order management, after-sales support, etc. are a part and parcel of your company. Consequently, there is a huge risk of data leakage, malicious attack, etc., which could put your company's reputation at stake. Smart VPN gives you a secure and private network that will help keep your valuable data safe from all these risks. Smart VPN provides remote access in the form of work-from-home facility, which also enables your employees to access your office remotely, working from home or on-field to ensure business continuity in a secured manner.
Interesting.
To sum up, Smart VPN for MPLS will help you connect multiple locations in a secured and private mode, tracking inventory, enable access to your critical applications like ERP, CRM, which could be on premises or even on cloud, enable your workforce to connect from anywhere.
I must say that your proposition is very enterprising. But I am concerned about the price. Is it too costly?
Let me tell you that the Smart VPN provides a cost-effective solution which fits your need as well as budget. If you could share a list of all the locations and services required, I can give you a suitable quotation with feasibility.
I will share this with you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure to meet you.